Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can integrate PayPal with your Squarespace checkout. So first of all, when you've opened your website and you've opened Squarespace, you'll go on your left and you'll see this icon, which is the settings icon. So you'll press on this. Once you press on this is the drop down menu you will see, and from here you'll go on billing. Once you're at billing, you can see subscriptions, invoices, and you have to go to your payment information. And from here, you'll be able to connect it with your PayPal. From here, you'll just simply select add payment method. And here you'll add your billing address. If you've added your billing address ever before, then you most probably won't need to fill this. But if you haven't added your billing address before, you'd need to fill this. And you'll also need to certify if your business is registered for VAT or not. As you can see right here, after you've added your billing address, you'll see an option where you can add your credit or debit card. But above, you can also see your PayPal option. Now from here, you will integrate PayPal with your Squarespace, so you will press on PayPal. Now simply here, as you can see, it's redirected you and it's asking you to log into your PayPal. From here, you'll just add your email address and password that is associated with your PayPal account. Then they'll ask you for a confirmation code for which you can use the PayPal app. You can get a text on your phone. You can get a WhatsApp text on your phone, and they can call you as well. So you can use any of these to get that confirmation code, which you will then have to enter. And after that, your PayPal will be successfully integrated with Squarespace. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.